fog, what a difference 24 hours makes. Here's a live lookout over Greeley this evening. Sun melted away a lot of that wet, slushy snow that fell yesterday. But you know the drill. Whatever the sun doesn't melt on the sidewalk is up to you to shovel. We saw plenty of people out knocking that chore out today. And extra hard workout, too, because of just how wet and heavy this snowfall was. Be careful. The experts say this is the kind of heavy shoveling that can really hurt you, even tax your heart if you don't take it slow. One family near Wash Park in Denver got a little help from their littlest ones.
We shovel the sidewalk so people don't slip and hurt themselves. We shovel so it doesn't turn to ice and later on cause problems and cracks in the sidewalk.
And those kids celebrated all their hard work with a snowball fight.